ये dear students chemistry 12th चलान chemical kinetics तो आज इस topic reaction rate as the average rate reaction rate as the average rate of reaction is already change in molar concentration but divided by time taken. When a reaction is taking place, that is a reactant gives products, reaction rate with the reaction is equal to increase in decrease in molar concentration divided by time taken. In case of products, increase in molar concentration divided by time taken. So it is actually the change in molar concentration divided by time taken. As an average rate, the rate of reaction is the change in molar concentration of species divided by time taken. This is already me पता है तो फर्ज कीजिए लेट द मोलर कंसिस्ट ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट ए डिक्रीजेज फ्रॉम 0.055 m to 0.0025 moles गो ये कह रिएक्शन गसान रिएक्टेंट करान रिएक्ट गो रिएक्टेंट मोलर कंसंट्रेशन गस वार 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 डिक्रीज गो ये वन फर्ज कि यह गई डिक्रीज 0.055 m to 0.028 in 32 minutes 32 minutes 32 into 60 seconds when कड़ो average rate यानी average rate means final concentration minus initial concentration go 0.028 minus 0.055 divided by time taken go 192 seconds so moles per liter सो गो बराबर ये सॉल्व कोर सो गो 1.4 into 10 is power minus 5 mole per liter per second या mole liter is power minus 1 into second is power minus 1. We can also show this average rate of reaction as a graphically. Let us consider a reactant A whose initial concentration x1 at time t2 t1 and x2 is a concentration at time t2 तो यप how is time यत x is यत x how is molar concentration तो वुचतो तो ये गो time t1 ये गो t1 x1 t1 x1 t2 x2 t2 x2 ये गो x1 ये गो x2 ये है तो this point is करा t1 x1 इस पे ग्राफ्स में था t2 x2 ये ग्राफ बन करो ये बड़ा ग्राफ बन इस पे करो तो मगर अच्छो कि गो चेंज इन मोलर कंसंट्रेशन क्या गई x2 minus x1 फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन माइनस चेंज इन टाइम क्या हो t2 minus t1 रिएक्शन रेट इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा x बटा डेल्टा t सो x2 minus x1 बटा t2 minus t1 सिंस x2 is less than x1 x2 is less than x1 x2 is less than x1 क्या x1 initial concentration ये गस decrease तव वन x2 यानी x1 गई reaction of reactant will गस concentration of the reactant will decrease पत वो x2 गो x2 तव कम x1 निश limitation image the average reaction rate does not give the true rate of reaction. Actually the change in molar concentration of a particular species for two same gaps time intervals is not the same. This is because the reason that the change in molar concentration is related to the actual molar concentration. When you say the question is instantaneous reaction rate. So like a question instantaneous reaction rate reaction rate. In order to have a picture of the reaction rate, we should consider the rate of reaction at a particular instant during the course of reaction. Such a rate is known as instantaneous. Rate of reaction, that is rate of reaction at a particular instant. At a particular instant. Particular instant is called instantaneous reaction rate. Instantaneous rate या instantaneous reaction rate गो कुछ खास टाइम्स पे क्या rate so instantaneous reaction rate go actually it may be defined as the rate of change in concentration of any of the species involved in the reaction at a particular instant of time go rate of change of concentration actually reaction में change in concentration rate of change of concentration of any of the species involved in the reaction at a particular times at a particular instant of time आओ समझ है अगर इस इंस्टेंट रीड स्टेट बराबर कत In order to determine the instant rate, a small time interval dt is selected at a particular instant during which the rate of reaction is supposed to remain constant. The change in concentration dx is determined. Is instantaneous reaction rate to determine the instantaneous reaction rate. Particular instant shown in particular instant is taken. खास time now, time interval dt is taken. The is per molar change in molar concentration as change in molar concentration of dx. Faras ki dx as per. Therefore, the instantaneous reaction rate instantaneous reaction rate is equal to dx bata dt. यानी instantaneous reaction rate determine है कुछ करिए इसने मुका खास particular instant of short interval of time of dt. that this पर था उस फर्स्ट की change in concentration dx go instant reaction go to dx bata dt. So go अगर इस पर हाउस reaction gives products, reaction gives r gives p. तेल का हाउस mathematically house में limit of delta r bata delta dt. ठीक. Yes, delta t tends to 0. Delta t tends go change in molar concentration reactant with respect to time where delta t tends to 0. Delta t यानी short interval of time that is equal to minus dr bata dt. And be one limit of delta p bata delta t should be tend to 0. So go बराबर है dp bata dt in case of products. मकला ये guys. Empathy क्या go beta factors influencing the rate of reaction. Factors which पगा question ते वहाँ अलग. Factors influencing the rate of reaction. Rate of a reaction. कम factors तुम यमो से rate of reaction असर पेवान छु. Number one देखो first goes concentration. Concentration से पे असर. Increase in concentration of a reactant always gives more yield of the products. ठीक. वो युता इस concentration बेटा increase करो युता मिले product. Go increase in concentration. Increase in concentration of reactants gives more products. Gives more products यानी ज़्यादा. हाँ समझ हैं? Irrespective of the nature of the reactant and कम reactant क्या आसन मगर सिर्फ ये लिस्टिंग concentration increase करो products मिलना ज़्यादा. ठीक है बेटा. Most of the chemicals are slow at lower temperature because upon the heating, in fact, the temperature involves the heat energy to the reactant species. They move and collide at faster rate and give more products. Go इथे पहुँचो temperature का असर शु आत्मा. Go increase in temperature क्या से कर? Increase in temperature. तब से क्या गैस rate of reaction गैस? Rate of reaction क्या से गैस? Rate of reaction गैस increase. तिक्याजे due to increase in kinetic energy of the species of the reactant species.